Get your job done faster and better. Those are the challenges we hear about from our customers every day. Helping you do just that is what drives us at Thermo Fisher Scientific. The Applied Biosystems company brought Sanger sequencing to life in the late 80s. Since then, we've seen our clients turn scientific potential into real-world impacts on human health using capillary electrophoresis-based Sanger sequencing and fragment analysis. The Human Genome Project, personalized medicine, surveillance of pandemic viruses, the list goes on. To this day, we continue to believe in the power of capillary electrophoresis. The accuracy, simplicity, speed, and cost-effectiveness of CE remain unmatched for targeted, focused sequencing and fragment analysis. And thus, we continue to be committed to advancing CE technology in ways like bringing new instruments to market. Our focus is to deliver workflows with the same high level of product and data quality that you've come to expect from us in new and innovative ways that help you to do your job faster and better. It starts with feedback from scientists like you. Too little time in your day, instrument downtime, working in multi-user environments, personnel turnover, all common challenges we hear about. So we're excited to introduce SeqStudio Flex series genetic analyzers to help you meet these challenges head-on. It's the only mid-throughput Sanger sequencing and fragment analysis genetic analyzer delivering gold standard CE technology with the quality and reliability you need, while leveraging design improvements and technological advancements for increased flexibility, usability, connectivity, and serviceability for users of all skill levels. Let's take a look at SeqStudio Flex genetic analyzers. They are sleek, modern, standalone instruments available in 8 and 24 capillary array formats with an onboard touchscreen computer. No more desktop computer taking up valuable space. The computer is integrated with an intuitive user interface. They have an independent sample drawer with 4-plate capacity and an integrated barcode reader. Now users can continually load sample plates even if a run is currently underway. For those of you that may already have a 3500 series genetic analyzer in your lab, we've made it easy to add a SeqStudio Flex. It shares consumables such as buffers and polymers with the 3500 series. We focused on making the arrays even more robust, with extended housing for even easier handling and capillary protection, and an innovative retractor tab for simplified installation and positioning. This was also about bringing communication technologies of today to SeqStudio Flex. These genetic analyzers have integrated microphone and speakers with Alexa voice commands for hands-free operation. Like our 4-capillary SeqStudio genetic analyzer, the SeqStudio Flex systems are compatible with Thermo Fisher Connect, a cloud-based platform using Amazon Web Services infrastructure that lets you remotely monitor the instrument and securely access and transfer your data from anywhere: your instrument, your desktop, your laptop, your mobile device, including your phone. Imagine being set free from the instrument, of walking away from your run without worry, reading that publication you've had on your desk for days, pulling together the figures for your latest publication, maybe even grabbing coffee with a friend or taking your kids to soccer practice, all while having the ability to monitor your run, reprioritize samples, access data in real time, or instantly share data with a collaborator. That's the type of freedom that can actually boost your lab's productivity and accelerate those big discoveries. But in the end, it's not about what SeqStudio Flex can do, but it's about what you, our client, can do. About helping you to do your job better and more efficiently so you can do what you do best, meeting the most pressing challenges to human health. SeqStudio Flex does just that. It brings together design improvements and advanced communications that provide the benefits of increased flexibility, usability, connectivity, and serviceability. The true power of SeqStudio Flex is the combination of these benefits, but we'll have a look at them one at a time. In our latest generation genetic analyzer, Sanger sequencing and fragment analysis meet flexibility. SeqStudio Flex, like our entire line of genetic analyzers, is based on capillary electrophoresis, a technology that delivers the quality you need while supporting a range of applications from gene editing and NGS confirmation to identification of the latest SARS variant of concern. But it's not just about application flexibility, the what you can do. It's about the flexibility of how, of when, and where you can do it. Let's start with sample number flexibility. Whether users have a few samples or need higher throughput with increased walk-away time, the SeqStudio Flex has your lab covered. It's compatible with 96 and 384 well plates, as well as 8 strip tubes. It's our first mid-throughput system with a larger 4-plate capacity. More importantly, it's the first genetic analyzer allowing you to continually load plates for uninterrupted 24/7 use. That brings us to scheduling flexibility. No more postponing runs to batch samples or plates. With continual plate loading, users can load sample plates anytime. Have an urgent sample? SeqStudio Flex has sample reprioritization. On the fly, in the middle of a run, users can reprioritize which samples are injected next. And now comes location flexibility. Using Thermo Fisher Connect, you can set up a run, reprioritize a sample, monitor a run, or analyze data remotely. You aren't tied to the instrument anymore. SeqStudio Flex was designed with ease of use in mind. Scientists have a lot going on, a lot of different methods and techniques that they may rely on. I'm sure you'd all love to be an expert at everything, but in reality, you just don't have the time. Maybe you're a lab manager that has a lot of turnover. That probably means you have too much to do and certainly don't have the extra time to continually train new people. Our goal was to offer an easy-to-use instrument that even novice users can confidently start up and run. And SeqStudio Flex came out of that, a genetic analyzer you can literally start with the push of a single button. It has intuitive software, walkthrough wizards, and step-by-step instructions. The ease of use extends to instrument consumables. Capillary arrays are the heart of capillary electrophoresis. But as many of you know, they are delicate and need to be installed precisely. The SeqStudio Flex capillary array housing provides greater protection while also making the array easier to handle and easier to install. Even though the instrument is easy to use, it doesn't mean users will remember all the details. We wanted to put help at your side at all times. We added an onboard learning center that users can access at any time with videos that detail common activities like mapping your samples, setting up a run, changing buffers, and installing new capillary arrays. SeqStudio Flex is the most connected genetic analyzer on the market. It can be connected to local area network, has USB ports, is LIMS compatible, and Wi-Fi capable. I've also already mentioned the Thermo Fisher Connect cloud-based platform for remote data access and transfer that provides huge efficiency benefits. But it's not just about getting your instruments and lab connected. It also has to be about keeping them protected, and that's something that Thermo Fisher takes very seriously. We look at and address security from every angle. I could talk on and on about data encryption, malware protection, integrity monitoring, SOC networks, but I won't, because I'm talking to scientists, not IT professionals. We know you face challenges convincing your IT departments that connectivity is a good thing. We've seen the real-world benefits of Thermo Fisher Connect and want to make it a reality for you. We have experienced IT on staff ready to connect directly with your IT departments to discuss all the details of our security measures. We know this can be successful. Just recently, in preparation for the installation of a SeqStudio Flex in the lab of Peter Bone, he expressed concern that he may not be able to benefit from the Thermo Fisher Connect due to hospital IT concerns. He introduced individuals in their IT department to the Thermo Fisher Scientific IT team who were able to address all the concerns. As a result, Dr. Bone's new SeqStudio Flex was installed and fully connected to the Thermo Fisher Connect platform. The last benefit I want to focus on is serviceability. Many of you have experienced our dedication to providing a high level of service and support. But that's not what I want to focus on. You get that high level of service and support whether you buy a SeqStudio Flex or a Pipetteman. What's unique about SeqStudio Flex serviceability? It starts the moment you order the instrument. You receive the white glove treatment of our customer concierge team to streamline and take the worry out of instrument delivery and installation. Once the instrument is up and running, the remote troubleshooting capabilities of SeqStudio set it apart. It's the first genetic analyzer on the market with smart help and remote support digital tools that enable 70% of issues to be resolved remotely in a matter of hours, not days. If you do require a service visit, the engineer may have remotely diagnosed the problem, allowing them to arrive fully prepared to address the issue and more quickly get your instrument up and running. This cutting-edge digital service ecosystem allows users to easily share log and run files directly from the instrument and provides for secure real-time audio-video collaboration with technical support. Flexibility, usability, connectivity, and serviceability. They give you the freedom to focus on the science, to make those groundbreaking discoveries faster, and to develop even more effective biopharmaceutical vaccines and diagnostics. That's why the SeqStudio Flex will quickly become a critical tool for success in areas including discovery, translational and clinical research, in genomic laboratories around the world, in research institutes, small and large, in diagnostic manufacturers and clinical labs, and in companies developing novel therapeutics from small molecule drugs to biologics and cell and gene therapies, and those companies looking beyond. Our clients have already done wonders harnessing the power of Sanger sequencing and fragment analysis to positively drive human health. We see it in publication after publication. We're excited for you to experience what you can do using the SeqStudio Flex, the most advanced genetic analyzer on the market. Thank you.